Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Electronic Gadgets, and today we're taking a look at the Aurzen D1R Cube Roku TV Smart Projector, a compact yet powerful 1080p Full HD projector with built-in Roku streaming, designed for effortless home and outdoor entertainment. Now the biggest highlight here is the official Roku TV built-in experience, which means you get instant access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and thousands of streaming apps directly from the projector. No extra streaming stick, no external device, just power it on and start watching. This projector delivers native 1080p Full HD resolution, producing sharp visuals with vibrant colors and excellent clarity. Whether you're watching movies, sports, gaming, or enjoying outdoor movie nights, the picture quality remains bright, detailed, and immersive. For audio, the built-in Dolby audio speakers provide rich, clear, and room-filling sound. Dialogue stays crisp, bass is punchy, and overall audio quality is surprisingly powerful for such a compact projector. And if you want even bigger sound, you can easily connect Bluetooth speakers or headphones. Connectivity is super convenient with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling fast wireless streaming, screen mirroring, and audio connections. The sealed optical engine design helps protect internal components from dust, ensuring long-term brightness stability and extended lifespan. Portability is another major win. The compact cube design makes it super easy to carry anywhere, perfect for outdoor movie nights, camping trips, travel, dorm rooms, and small apartments. Just plug it in, connect Wi-Fi, and enjoy a massive cinematic display anywhere. Overall, the Aurzen D1R Cube Roku Smart Projector is a fantastic choice if you want a portable, smart, all-in-one entertainment projector that combines Full HD visuals, Roku streaming, Dolby audio, and wireless connectivity in one sleek package. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.